Hi, this is Sarah from The Savvy Professor, and in today's video, we'll look at how to fix a GE microwave that's not turning on. Watch the video until the end to learn to do this and more. First, ensure that the microwave is getting power from the outlet. To do this, check the circuit breaker on the microwave's power supply line and ensure it's not tripped. Plug in a different appliance such as a lamp to the microwave's power outlet to determine if it's functional. You can also use a voltmeter to do this. Consult with a professional if there's no power in your outlet. Check the fuse. Disconnect the appliance from the power supply to avoid electrocution while working on it. Unscrew the top front panel to access the compartment housing the fuse. Open the plastic casing around the fuse and disconnect it from the wires. Replace the fuse with a new one if it's blown up or tests negative for continuity. Securely fix everything in place before connecting the microwave to the power supply. So that's it. Fixing a GE microwave that's not turning on should be that easy. Thanks for watching. Till next time.